everyone, welcome back to another video. I've got a 12 by 12 layout for you today. It is using the April Kitaholic Kits, which mainly features Case of the Blast, so perfect for a teen layout, and this layout is about my teenage daughter. So I got the large sheet and cut out the squares that I wanted. They're 2 by 2 inch squares, and just kind of tiered them down. So the first line has got the 5, and then the next one's got 4, 3, 2, 1. And I am going to measure a 1/2 inch down from the top and 1/2 inch from the left, and just so I can get kind of an even border on the top and the left. I'm not going to measure where each card goes. I just want the border to be fairly even. So, and I'm sorry, he does this every morning. He's gone. He likes to, it's like 6:20 in the morning and he's riding around on his Harley every single morning without fail. So I am, what was I saying? Oh yes, measuring the borders and on the top and the left, and I'm just going to stick down my little cards. So I have finished sticking down the cards, and I decided to bring a little bit of a embellishment cluster to the right hand side to try and balance it out a little bit. So I did grab a few pieces from the ephemera pack and just layering them up. There we go. Just on the left hand side there. And this layout was very white, so I will come in with my black gel pen and draw a border around the whole layout. Now it was at this point that I realized I had been getting black smudges everywhere, and one of my pens had leaked in my pen container, and it took me a little bit of time to realize that it had gone all over my hand. So I did smudge my layout and my desk up a little bit, but that's all good. So just doing the border now, and I will do borders around all the white 2-inch cards as well, just to make them pop off the page a bit. But I go to do it and then I was like, no, I won't do it, but I do end up doing it later. So we got this awesome wood veneer in our kits. So the title of the layout is Oh the Attitude, which suits this girl to the T. And I tell you what, this whole collection could have been made just for her, because there was just so many things on the puffy sticker sheet and the chipboard and all that was just my daughter to the T. But I couldn't make it work. I didn't want to over embellish the page. I wanted to keep it simple. So I did bring in the wood veneer stars. I did bring in I think it was one puffy heart from the collection, and I did bring in the chipboard arrow, which I put over on my embellishment cluster there. That's it there. I'm just going to pop it up the top there, and then I'm just going to try a few things out. And then I came across the acrylic that we got in the kits, so I'm going to try some of that out. And I did put the orange and the grey on, and I thought the orange was a bit too strong for the layout, so the grey stays but the rest go. just gluing down my title there, and then I'm going to get a whole heap of roller stamps out and just stamp a few little phrases here and there over the layout. And they're just I've got a huge collection of roller stamps, so I couldn't tell you what was what actually. I just grabbed a few phrases that suited the layout and just stamped them on some of the 2x2 cards and some over on my embellishment cluster. I really wanted to use that good at naps sticker because this girl loves to sleep, but I couldn't make it work, so I'm just going to continue stamping. So this is where I made the decision of, yes, I do want to outline some of these white cards just to make them pop off the background page a bit. And of course everything's getting noisy now. Ambulance, birds come past, I'm so sorry. So just outlining only the ones with the white, just to make them stand out a bit and to bring some more of that black border in. And sticking down my wood veneer stars, and I think, oh, I pulled some puffy stickers out of my stash, and these ones had the perfect colors, like that yellowy green limey kind of color. They were perfect color, and some of the green hearts, and I couldn't tell you where I got them from. They've been sitting in my stash for a long time, so I had, because I pulled out those 2 grey stars, I wanted a third one, but we only got 2 in the pack. So in a previous kit, I think it was February, we got a whole heap of acrylic. And these acrylics are from Corbett Creations. And there was grey hearts in there, so I got to add my 3rd grey acrylic onto my layout. And I do fuss about a little bit with that. And these enamel dots came in the kit. They're from the Pink Fresh Studio A Case of the Blahs line. So just fussing about, and then I go to stick everything down, and then I do bring in some colour shine in tinsel just to add some splatters to my layout. Just covered my photo with a spare 2-inch piece of paper there and put some splatters on. I haven't got any journaling on here, so there may be journaling when I pop the photos, the stills up at the end. So, and of course a bus gone past now. This is a very noisy video. So I slowed the footage down, and here is a close-up look at it. And I'll have some stills, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!